Dear all, we are delighted to tell you that Sujal has completed yet another successful installation at MIDC Mahat. The plant is meant for the corporate office of a specialty chemical giant. The plant is based on PMF technology. The PMF bed is the heart of the system. The treatment occurs by the plants, the bacterial culture, and the physical filtration media. Thus, treated sewage is passed through the sand filter and the carbon filter. The treated water may be used for any secondary purposes. Unique advantages of the system are that it's completely an eco-friendly technology, it's silent, it's odor-free, and also it's very low on electricity consumption. We thank you for your attention and we look forward for your patronage. Thank you.